just saw the new Doctor Who trailer, and oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Baby weeping angels? Like, what? How do they even reproduce them? Come on. Well, Steven Moffat put it in the dark. I thought that was funny. I really thought that was funny. But, like, oh my god. When Amy and Rory leave, I mean, like, I cried like a bitch when Donna left. I can't take losing another ginger companion. I don't think the doctor can either. I mean, like, ginger. Donna and Amy should get together and have a ginger party. And then, if the next doctor's not ginger, I am going to cry. I'm gonna cry. I will, like, I'll be like, what the hell? Why isn't he ginger? Why? Why I want to be ginger? Make a ginger. Make a ginger doctor, guys. Come on. I want a ginger. Really bad. I'm gonna go cry. I'm gonna go, like, fall into a pit and just sob for, like, 3 days because it's summer. I can do whatever I want. Shit, man. Baby weeping angels.